All right, guys, how's everyone doing? Let's move on to our next activity or lesson. We're going to talk about climate and weather today, and there is a difference between the two. So pages 44 and 45, in your textbook. You know, as always, if you want to turn on your modified text, you can. You don't want to, you don't have to. So let's go through and see what we're going to learn about today. And like I said, there is a difference between climate and weather. So climate is the first one. Yellow vocabulary word. Now, climate is over a long period of time, okay? It's not a daily thing, which weather is. So what you see on the news, when the news person, man or woman, talks about, like today they would say, since I'm looking outside, it's snowing today, so there's, they'd say, a high of 32 with a low of 25 with 40% chance of snow. That would be a weather forecast, right? Specific day, specific time. So there's climate. So that's over a long period of time. And climate's a big thing right now about climate change and all that. That's why our question was about climate and all that this week. What are the 4 factors that affect a region's climate? There are things that affect a climate. So if we look right here, 4 factors that affect a region's climate are, there it is. I'm not going to say them though. Just talked about weather. Should be a yellow vocabulary word. Yes, it is. This one's pretty short and sweet, guys. Name the 3 things that are part of weather. So climate has its 4 things that affect them. Weather has 3 things. So if we look right here, it includes the, and then what causes weather to change? And we know that happens with a drop of the hat, right down here. One thing changes that. Think about it. When I'm recording this, which is Monday, November 9th, we had last week in the 80s. Yesterday, Sunday, it was in the 60s, and we had rain, thunder, and then turned into snow. So that tells you something happened to cause the weather to change, all right? So pretty short and sweet, but here's the difference. The thing that I want you to remember between the two. Climate is over a long period of time. Years. Weather is a daily thing. It can change from hour to hour, day to day. So remember that. As always, questions, problems, need help, let me know. All right, we'll see you guys.